All right, let's take a look at what Anita did to embed a Google Doc into her Edline page. I'm going to do the same thing for mine. This is my homepage for Honors 35. I've already got some units up, but I want to put up my syllabus and just have it embedded on the page. So if I want to change anything before the first day of class, I don't have to come back to the page to edit. I can just edit directly into my Google Doc. First thing I'm going to do is switch my toggle out of like parent student mode and go into list view. I am going to add a new document. I have to make sure this is on the document tab. Click add. Give my document a title. I also want this to be in my others Honors 35 course. I want them to have the exact same syllabus. And then I'm going to go to add content. I'm going to enter text by hand. And I am going to edit HTML. So this is where you can go wrong. You never want to have to deal with this text box here. We're only going to ever work out of Google Docs, and right now we're just going to link the two. So I'm going to go over here to the syllabus I've been working on in my Google Doc. It's just as I wanted. I think maybe I'll want to work on it a little bit more. I go to File, all the way down here to Publish to the Web. File, Publish to the Web. I click Embed, not this URL link. This will just take me to the page, but I want to embed it into my Edline. I'm going to copy this code, Command-C, close out there, back over to Edline. I'm not going to do anything in this space. I'm just going to open the HTML editor, plop it in, and I suggest many of your students will be opening this on their phone or the computer. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to change the height to 800 and the width to 600. So I've gone right after the URL and where the quotes have ended after embed true. I just typed in height equals, and then in quotes, 800 pixels, width equals, in quotes, 600, brackets closed, iframe brackets closed. I'm going to click Update. And in there, I now have my Google Doc. So I can work straight from Google Docs. Yes, I'm on both classes for Honors 35. I've given it a great title. Maybe I'll even call it Class Information. And describe it in my document summary as the syllabus. Everything's as I want it. Save and return. I am done. So now I have created this page. I want to add it when students come to my home page at the very top, even above the first 3 units. So I'm going to click the pencil right here to edit my navigation. And let's see, I believe this is the last class information I made. Drag it up there. Press save. Ooh, actually I want to copy this new navigation with the Google Doc syllabus I just created. I want that to be on all of my Honors 35 pages. I want the exact same navigation. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to save it. It's going to replace my navigation. I'll get a brand new one on both first and second periods. Save and copy. Here we go. Now I am back in teacher-student view. I'm going to click not on the pencil, not on the plus, but on class information as if I were the student to see how it looks. And there I have my Google Doc embedded directly into my page, which is much nicer than having to edit in Edline every time because I can work straight out of Google Docs and it will auto-update, saving you lots of time. And it looks great. Thanks so much.